this video, I'll show you how you can speed up a video in Davinci Resolve 16. So to start this off, I actually opened a clip in my timeline and I clicked on edit right here. And that's exactly what you need to do as well. Now once you're here, you need to use the select tool and select your video. Once you do that, you should be able to find those red lines on your video. Next up, right click and then you'll see all of these different features. Now all you need to do is find the change clip speed right there. Click on it. Right there you can then change the clip speed. So right now it's at 100. If you want to speed this up, all you need to do is drag this over to the right and then you can speed that up. So for example, you can play this at 200% or 500%. That's totally up to you. Kind of depends what you want to do with your video. You can also reverse the speed. You can do ripple sequence. All of this depends on what you're trying to do. Right there, you can also click on stretch to fit. So let's say you've made a cut and let me just show you guys. So let's say that right here you've made a cut and you want to speed up this part of the video. You then make sure to click on stretch to fit, and then if you change it, which I'll do right now, this will actually make sense. So that's kind of like how you can speed up a video in Davinci Resolve. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.